Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled in the serene Himalayan mountains, lived a curious dog named Chase. Chase was no ordinary dog. He possessed an insatiable thirst for adventure and an unwavering spirit. One day, driven by an inexplicable urge, Chase embarked on a journey to explore the mystical lands beyond his village. Guided by an inner calling, Chase ventured deeper into the heart of the Himalayas, where ancient secrets lay dormant. Along his journey, he encountered wise monks who resided in a secluded monastery. Intrigued by Chase's determination, the monks welcomed him and taught him the art of meditation. For months, Chase immersed himself in the practice of meditation, seeking enlightenment and inner peace. One fateful night, as he meditated under the starry sky, a powerful energy surged through his veins. In a moment of transcendence, Chase felt a profound connection to the ancient powers of the dragons that once roamed the mountains. With newfound abilities coursing through his being, Chase emerged from his meditation transformed. He had become more than just a dog. He was now a majestic creature imbued with the strength and ferocity of a dragon. His fur shimmered with iridescent hues, and flames danced in his eyes. Armed with his newfound powers, Chase set out to protect the Himalayan villages from any threat that dared to disturb their tranquility. With each passing day, tales of the legendary dragon dog spread far and wide, inspiring awe and revere.